Thank you for taking a moment to check out Juicy Spirit Awaken, presented to you by Rebirth International and yours truly, the Rev Coach LaTanya Taylor, and that's me. And I look forward to sharing a little bit more with you. But for now, when you click the link below, it will allow you to receive a virtual gift from me. And I look forward to sharing many more gifts with you and possibly unlocking gifts that you never knew that you had, using your feminine soul wealth, using the gift of being a woman, and it certainly is a gift to the men who love you.